Hi, this is Sabinia. This is a video for exercise number 10. In this, we are going to create a web application with using PHP and database. So, I have created a web application for selecting a shirt and then shipping it. Selecting shirt, getting the details of the user and then shipping to the particular user. To create such a kind of web application, so I'm just going to use I'm just going to use these things. So first, in order to create a basic web page, like banner image, and then shirts, whatever shirts, quantity, and all those steps, with radio buttons and text boxes. So I'm just going to see in this page called index.php, the front page. So I'm just going to create a form and the method which I'm going to use is post and then action. I'm just going to refer to that. Next page is 7 seconds of PHP given. Go to next page for 7 seconds of PHP and then here I have used a CSS command. So I have used a class and IDs for division blocks. So in order to give some good effects, create a box, some borders. So I have created a CSS command. So for division I have created containers, and for navigation I've created a class called for division class called navigation. For banner image I've used to get a banner image I've used a tag called image source and then the image name with the width and height. Next, in order to display the wordings in a particular banner image, I have used choose shorting of your choice. So I've used I have just given in a division block for class text. Next, in the division block, in order to give the shirt type, I'm taking two thumbnails, which allow the user to select whether what I'm sure they want. So I'm just going to give in the division block I was given divide the division class the shirt and then I've given shirt type and the next I want to create a not to select I've given a checkbox in order to get a checkbox we must use input type text box input type checkbox and then name and then value for the particular checkbox like this and then closing the division block up. Next, I want to create a clothing item which is like men's clothing, women's clothing, and then children's clothing. In order to get that option, so I'm just using the radio button. So in order to create radio buttons, we can use the input type. We can use input tag. So input type is equal to radio, and then the name and we must give a common name for all these things. It's kind of same. This contains same. Data button always have the same names. So we can say it belongs to the same group. So I'm giving name as radius and then value is men's clothing. We need to display men's clothing, women's clothing, and child's clothing. And then the next one, I want to get the quantity of the particular user to how much one or two or three to get to the quantity. I want to get it display in text box. So I'm just giving in input text for text, and then I'm giving name as quantity. Next, I want to get the size from the user, whether it's small or large or double XL or XS. XS. So in order to get it, I'm just going to use select an option. It just produces a list. So, so I'm just going to create a class for size. In select, I'm just going to create a class called size, and then I'm just going to give an option within the option tag like XS, yes, large, XL, double XL, and then close the select tag. Next, I want to get the color from the user. This is also like violet. I can just give a list of values, like options, like violet color, maroon color, orange color, brown color, like different colors, and then just going to close the selected. So when the user want to user selected the particular value and the user want to go to next page for entering the details for shipping. So it must redirect to the must give a button to move to the next page. So I have used the submit button. So in order to get a submit button, and we have to use the input type is for submit and value is for submit. And if when a person gives a submit, it moves the next page. Is to move to next page at 7 seconds of PHP given. So this page we can create will collect all the information where the particular thing must be shipped. So this is where the PHP code starts. So in PHP you're going to start the session. and then I have created a form, and then this form will go to the register.php, and then I have used a method called post, and then and then here also I'm using navigation to division class, and I'm just using the different types of CSS things, and then I just want to get it in basic correct banner like enter your shipping information. Not to get the first name, I will use text. Text box under its name, and then inside the text box the default to you get to get the value from the user to identify it as a name. So I'm just giving the values name, next last name, first name, street address, city, and then in order to get that which state, in order to make the search easier, if you type T particular thing Tamil Nadu or whatever it comes like that, I'm just designed like that, and then next zip code, phone number, and then etc. Email ID, everything is collected. And then next, when a person gives some continue button, when a person gives continue button, it reaches next page for confirmation number. So in order to give, we are not designed like that. I'm just given created a submit button and given value is continue, and then I'm created an ID called submit. So when the person gives submit, it moves to next page. So I have created a separate page for that. So here it is. So here is a PHP code for the particular thing. So I'm just going to get it will display order summary, and then things will happen. I'm just using the CSS command for confirm the order, and then here is what our actual PHP workup. If the post is equal to submit, the first page I have given a post is for submit, which is going to get the name, email address, and then address, zip code, phone number, email ID, and the email and phone number is same. Means if something is missing, means you just please give the details, and we will move back to the particular page. And then uh, I want to create a box with content which consists of item description, quantity, amount, which will be easy for the user to see whether the particular things has been selected or not. And then session is started, and then if session is a radio or something like that, it will get the items which whether it's men's clothing, women's clothing, or whatever clothing it is. And then there are two checkboxes we had. One is a 5,000 rupees, 5,000, one is 500 rupees and 1,000 rupees t-shirts, and the thumbnails. Next, how many quantities, and then colors and price of the particular thing will be displayed. And then next, we'll get to the user whether they want express shipping or order standard shipping. So this table, it will properly get in table and it will display, and then it will be done. So and then this is the CSS code for all zip, first name, navigation, getting a navigation board to give colors, all those things. Yeah. Next, I will show you. I just run the file and show for you. See, this is the banner image, and this is the this is the thing which displays in the banner image. You show the type of your color, and then this is the thumbnail images, which has the two check boxes like 500,000, and then here I'm just going to give the radio buttons. So that is radio items, whether it's men's clothing, women's clothing, child clothing. This is going to give men's clothing. Quantity is one, and size is excess. I'm just going to give the lavender button. Violet, and then it is going to submit. Move next page, and then here I can give B, it is something you can just give us um, bounding numbers, and then addresses, blog, blog, city else, Tamil Nadu zip code 607-801, phone number is 7123456, city number, and then email ID, you at the rate of gmail.com. Is going to get it standard. this is the order summary, and this confirming the order. This is how my web I have get web application for shipping for shopping, where we select the item, we just give the information for shipping, and then we check the order using PHP and database. Thank you.